You're snoring way too loud. You're sleeping way too loud. You are violating the law, and people cannot sleep.
I'm not doing anything, sir, officer, sir.
You are snoring highly too loud. You're gonna have to come to jail with me. You are indeed gonna have to come to jail with me.
Really, though?
Yes.
Do I have to come with the officer?
Yes.